Thursday, February 1st, 2018, we did a lesson using the Holt literature book. I was out that day. If students were also out that day, they can access the Holt online textbook, or they can check out a textbook from me. If they want to access the online textbook, if they go to their Google Classroom and the About section, they can click on the link, Reading Language Arts, Elements of Literature, and then they will need to get their username from me, and then their password is their last name. And then they're going to hit Login, go to the online textbook, and then type in the pages that they need to read. So we started with 586 yesterday, and then hit the Go button, and there's the article. So yesterday we read pages 586 through 593. When they finished reading each passage, they had to answer some questions that went along with that on a separate sheet of notebook paper and turn those into the guest teacher. So if you missed school on Thursday, February 1st, this is your assignment that you do need to make up. So watch this tutorial so you can learn how to access the online textbook or check out a textbook from me. Thank you.